Hey guys, welcome to Troy Time. Hey, check it out. Today I'm super excited because I'm finally getting to plant my quad grow towers, okay? We're gonna put lettuces and greens in this one, alternate greens in that one on the end, and then beans on the two that are in the middle. Those are gonna be bush beans, so I'm super excited. But you know, in talking with people, I've had some questions. They said, hey Troy, that's great, but I don't wanna have 4 towers. That's too many for me and I can't build that structure. Can you do something more simple with a single tower? So that's what this video is in response to. So I want to show you what I did. Okay guys, so here's what we got. So I did this as a request, okay? I was asked, could you do one that's just a single tower, but make it so I can do it on a patio or on a balcony, okay? So that's what I did here. Again, we're not driving into the earth, and I wanted to keep it cheap and simple, right? So this is super simple. So all we do is we have 2 concrete, they are 8 by 8 by 16. And then I've wedged the wood in there so that that pole is nice and stable. This has a lot of stability to it now, okay? So we're gonna build this out. It's super cheap and easy. So if you're gonna do this with the wood, you only need 1 2x4. You're gonna need 2 2x2s and 2 of the cinder blocks, okay? The cinder blocks are 8 by 8 by 16. And then the 1 2x4 and 2 2x2s, okay? Super simple. If you're gonna have them cut it at the store, you wanna have them cut to 16 inches, okay? You'll need 3 16-inch piece 2x4s, and then you'll need 2 16-inch pieces of the 2x2s. And if you notice real close in there, I've put a little wedge in there. I'll show you a couple of pictures of that going in, okay? And so there's just, it's all just kind of pounded in there together, wedged in there tight. Okay guys, so here it is 12 high, okay? And so that's right about eye level for me as I approach it, right? I'm actually probably gonna go a little taller on this one, and we'll go maybe 13, 14, and 15. I'll give you a look and see so you can see what 14 levels look like. Okay, here's 14 levels. If you were gonna go 12, you can probably cut 2 feet off of that main pole rather than just 1. Okay, and here's 15 levels high. For me, it's kind of a can't stop, won't stop kind of thing. So I guess I'm going 15. I wanted some symmetry with the ones that it's right next to. So this one looked a little funky being downsized to 12. But you could do 12, you could do 13, 14, whatever you like, right? But super simple. Basically, the part that's important is the support, right? And super cheap. So here we have a 15 tier, 15 tower system. So that's 45 planting spots. Actually 46 because the top is sort of a double in the middle. You can kind of plant there as well. All right, and one last thing that's so great about this one, not only is it so easy to build, and you can put it anywhere, but it's inexpensive, okay? All in all on materials, building materials are about $12 total. And then the actual planters, they're about $18 rough math. And so you're looking at about a $30 build, right? For a 45 place, actually 46 place planter, vertical tower, right? 30 bucks, right? And you're in business. Stick it anywhere you like, all right? Yeah, I think it's good stuff. Just a couple of details on these. So the center hole is actually cut with a 1 7/8 hole saw. That's going to mean perfect fit with a 2x2 in there. And generally for the punch outs, you want to use 1 punch out just to kind of help keep the moisture in there. So only punch 1 of the plugs out and use a 1 7/8 inch hole saw to drill this and run it in reverse. And the other great tip is this. Always make sure it's nice and warm. I originally took the first batch of these that I did in the very, very, very early spring, and it was icy cold outside, and they cracked pretty good. A lot of them cracked really strong. So now I did a couple today, and it's nice and warm. Man, they were soft like butter. So definitely try and do it when they're warm, or do it inside in warmer temperatures when you're cutting these with a hole saw. So just a couple tips to help you out. And yeah, so that's what we got on these. So lots of stuff coming. We're still out in the garden. We got a few more things to show out here. We got more canning coming. We got some solar and all kinds of stuff. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. And as always, we will see you soon. I'm glad you're here. This is Troy Time.